Hey there! If those US holidays are crowding your calendar and you would rather have a cleaner, more personalized view, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to either delete or unsubscribe from US holidays in your iPhone's calendar app. Let's dive right in. First off, open the calendar app on your iPhone. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see three options: Today, Calendars, and Inbox. Tap on Calendars and a menu will pop up. From here, if you just want to hide the US holidays from your calendar, uncheck the option labeled US Holidays. After that, hit the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. And from now on, US holidays will no longer appear in your calendar app. Easy peasy, right? So that's it. That's how you can delete or unsubscribe from US holidays in your iPhone's calendar app. Want more iPhone tips and tricks? Hit that subscribe button because I've got plenty more great content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.